Today's logo is for those adventurous designers and customers that would like to design something out of the ordinary. We're doing Shattered 3D logo using our Canva tool. Let's jump in and do this exciting one. You're going to access www.canva.com. You're going to search and create a blank logo canvas. Once you've created the canvas, you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for V. So in order for you to get the effect of shattered, you need to have an image to shatter the image. So we're going to grab one of the images from the graphics that Canva creators have created for us, but you can use any image to get the effect that you want. I loved this one, and you just click on it once, you size it so that your logo is the exact size that you want. Then you can change the image to the colors of your customer. I'm gonna go with blue on this one, as well as the name of the company. I'm gonna go with blue. Blue just felt beautiful. You're gonna go back to your elements and you're gonna look for either splatter or splash. So I'm going to search for splatter and I'm going to use the splatter. You just click on it once and load it to your design. I looked for splash. This is the other one that I want to use. So you click on it once, you move it out of the way, and the trick here is to just change the color of your splash. And if you want it to eat into your logo design and make spaces on there, then you need to change the color to white. And if you want the color to remain as the color of your logo, you change the color of that and you make it blue. So that's basically all that you do. You change the size, and I'm gonna size it a little bit and start eating in on my logo edit image by changing the color and making it white. So the minute you make it white, you will see when we go and we remove background, there's gonna be empty spaces there that creates that nice effect, that adventurous looking effect that we want when we are converting it to a 3D. So you copy this, you paste it, so Control V, Control C, and you apply your splatter throughout your design like that. And you twist it around, you make it a small size, and you use the other one as well. I'm going to copy this so that I have a duplicate, and I'm going to change the colors of this one and make it white. So that I take the splatter and I go in and I create that gap effect on my logo. And you twist it around and twist it around until you get the color that you want and the splatter that you want. And then I start applying the blue, showing my splatter. How cool is this? I thought this was so cool. And it's dependent on the designer of how you want your design to look like. I just gotta get through, cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view, the pain is never gonna stop. And there you go. You're gonna add the name of the company over there and add the lines, and then you're going to download it as a 3D. You're going to download it as a transparent background, and then you're going to remove the background using your Canva remove background in order for you to convert it to a 3D on Photopea. So I'm going to fast forward as I add the name. You just press T to add the name. They do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. And there you go. I added the lines so that they align with the name of our logo, and that's it. You just go and you click on share, you click on download, and you download it as a transparent background, and then you come back to Canva, you remove the background so that all the whites that we've added on there are then removed as well, so that when you get to Photopea, it is nicely splattered. I love it. We're now going to go to www.photopea.com and we're going to be using a template today. So you're going to click where it says PSD Templates and you're going to go mockups and you're going to look for a logo mockup that we're going to be using. I liked this pink one. It looked quite nice with this design, but you can choose any one of the mockups that you like, or you could upload your own mockup by using Open from Computer. You can watch any of my older videos when I did that. Once your mockup has loaded, you're gonna go to where it says your logo here and you double click on there, and then you're gonna hide your text by clicking on the eye, and then you're either gonna go File, Open and place your design, or if it has loaded on my downloads there, you just click and you drag it to the canvas itself, and then you size it, you align it, and it has those beautiful gaps over there, and you're gonna go File and you're gonna save as smart object and you wait. And once it's saved as smart object, you're gonna click once where it says 3D free photo shop PSD file and you wait, and your logo is then converted to 3D with that gorgeous splatter. You're then gonna go File, Export as whichever format that you want based on what the client or yourself want, and I'm gonna use PNG for us, and reduce the width so that the pixelation is not so much and it's smaller. Then you click on Save, and that is how you create a 3D splatter logo. This is one of those fun ones that we did, right? Okay, let me know in your comments below what you think of this one, and let me know which one you want us to try using our gorgeous Canva. For now, you can go to learnwithza.com. I have a gorgeous 52 video course that I've created for Canva that you could learn at your own time, at your own pace, at a very affordable price. For now, I will see you on the next video.